All right, so this little black beauty is running and ready to go back to its owner. I have the seat over at Craig's Custom Upholstery here in Phoenix. He's been doing motorcycle seats for me for about, gosh, 20 some odd years. And we're putting the new welting around the bottom of the seat. The one that's on there is in bad shape. The clips are missing, and he can put on a plain black welting. It'll look just fine. So I'll get that in the next few days, and that point the bike can go back to the owner if he wants it. He bought a new front fender. It doesn't fit. It's the wrong fender. It's actually a rear fender. I'll leave that to him to resolve and decide whether or not he wants to come get the bike as is while he solves the front fender problem. So right now I'm going to take this bike down and put up the first came in, which is the black one, and see about taking the clunk out of the front end. So I got to put it up on the lift backwards. It's not as hard as the Norton because it's not as heavy, but we'll see how it goes.